Hello friends, in this video we are going to build simple calculator using ChatGPT help. This is the text I'm going to use, which is basic calculator web application using CSS, HTML and JavaScript. Let me paste this text into the ChatGPT window and enter. So ChatGPT is going to provide me all the three files HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So once the files are generated, I will show you how we can straightforward use the files and see the application running. Here you go, the files are ready. So let me first go to the top and copy the HTML file. Go to the Visual Studio in the index.html file, paste it as is. Now copy the CSS code. Go to the style.css, paste it as is the content, and then copy the JavaScript code. Go to the script.js and then paste it as is. Save it. Go to the index.html, run and run without web. It will launch the application. Here you go, this is your application. Let's test it how it works. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Absolutely perfect. This is how your application can be built just like that within 1 minute. This is the power of ChatGPT. Let's thank ChatGPT through the Mac message. Thank you, ChatGPT. And thank you for all the viewers. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and you will see such more and more application. Thank you.